Children, welcome to our 11th standard botany class. Okay, now let me see about the ARCHAEBACTERIA. Okay, what is the ARCHAEBACTERIA? These ARCHAEBACTERIA are primitive prokaryotes. Okay, primitive means ரொம்ப பழைய காலமே உள்ள the bacteria. Okay, so we call as the primitive. These type of bacteria live in extreme conditions. எந்த சூழ்நிலையிலும் என்ன செய்யும்னா இந்த பாக்டீரியாஸ் வந்து வாழும் தன்மை கிடையாது. ஓகே, mostly the hot springs, high salinity, low pH, so on. Okay, here the unique feature of this group is the presence of lipids like glycerol and isopropyl ethers. Okay, the most unique feature of this bacteria are glycerol and isopropyl ethers in the cell membrane. That is a unique feature of this bacteria. Because this chemical composition, the cell membranes are resistant against the antibiotics and lytic agents. எல்லா சூழ்நிலையும் தாங்கும் தன்மை உடையதான் என்ன செய்யுது இந்த பாக்டீரியா இருக்கும். Mostly the examples of methanobacterium, halobacterium and thermoplasma. These are the examples of this ARCHAEBACTERIA. Okay, next one is the cyanobacteria. What is the cyanobacteria? In cyanobacteria, these are the old one. Here it is also called as a stromatolites. What is stromatolites? Look at the diagram. Here the stromatolites are deposits formed when colonies of cyanobacteria bind with the calcium carbonate. இந்த பாக்டீரியா எப்படி இருக்கும்னா இந்த ராக்ல சாண்ட்ல எல்லாம் படிஞ்சு ஃபாசில் மாதிரி ஃபார்ம் ஆகிருக்கும். சரியா? This is a blue green algae. That is a cyanobacteria. The main features are they are the cyanophyceae. They are popularly called as the cyanophyceae. There are many different varieties of these bacteria. Most of them are freshwater and few are marine. Mostly இந்த பாக்டீரியா வந்து ஃப்ரெஷ் வாட்டர், ரிவர்ஸ், பாண்ட், ஸ்ட்ரீம்ஸ், லேக்ல எல்லாம் இருக்கும். ஆனால் ரொம்ப ஃபியூவாக தான் மரைன் கண்டிஷனில் இருக்கும். சரியா? லிசன், in some bacteria they give red color to the sea. நம்ம கேட்டிருக்கோம் இல்லை, ரெட் சீன்னு நம்ம படிச்சிருக்கோம். Why we call as the red sea? Because one type of bacteria, that is a cyanobacterium, that is a Trichodesmium erythracum. In this type of bacteria impart the red color to the sea. இந்த பாக்டீரியா வந்து சீல வந்து நிறைய படிஞ்சிருந்துன்னா அந்த தண்ணியை பார்க்கும்போது எப்படி இருக்குன்னா ரெட் கலரில் தெரியும். ஆனால் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? ரெட் சீன்னு சொல்லுவோம். Why? Because of the presence of this cyanobacteria imparts the color of the red color to the sea. Okay, that is a unique point of this bacteria. Okay, the many blue-green algae, that is the nostoc, anabina, these are all the different varieties of blue-green algae. Okay, the main silent features. Here, the main members of this group are prokaryotes. They lack the motility and reproductive structures. They lack the motile reproductive structures. The thallus is unicellular. Mostly these bacteria are unicellular. Okay, that gliding movement is noticed in some species. What is gliding movement? அப்படியே இந்த மாதிரி போகிறது. சரியா? that's a gliding movement. Oscillatoria. Example, oscillatoria. The protoplasm is differentiated into central region called the centroplasm and peripheral region called the chromoplasm. சரியா? அப்போ இந்த protoplasm 2 டிவைட் ஆகிருக்கு. அதெல்லாம் centroplasm and chromoplasm. Okay, the photosynthetic pigments include C-phycocyanin and C-phycoerythrin. Okay, these are the photosynthetic pigments that is present in the blue-green algae. Okay, ma. Along with the myxoxanthin and myxoxanthophil. கூடவே எதெல்லாம் கூட இருக்கும்? myxoxanthin and myxoxanthophil. xanthophyll. இது ரெண்டும் கூட என்ன செய்யும்? இந்த பாக்டீரியாஸில் இருக்கும். ஓகேம்மா? Next one. The reserve food material of cyanobacteria is the cyanophycean starch. அப்போ the blue-green alga ஓட reserve food material என்னது? Cyanophycean starch. Okay? Here, in some forms they are colorless. The cells are found in a terminal or intercalary position. That is known as the heterocyst. What is heterocyst? That means in some algae, it is found in the terminal or intercalary position. அப்படி இருந்துன்னா அந்த நேம் என்னது? Heterocyst. ஓகேம்மா? They involve in nitrogen fixation. Sometimes they ask in the one word questions. Okay? Then next one, the reproduction mainly through vegetative methods. Okay? Mostly they produce the acinides. That's like that of seed. That's the acinides. Then hormogonia. Then binary fission, endospore. These are the reproductive process mainly happened in this blue-green algae. Then the presence of mucilage, வழவழப்புத்தன்மை, the mucilage around the thallus. Therefore, the group is also called Myxophyceae. அந்த mucilaginous substance இருக்கிறதுனால இதை இந்த குரூப் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க? Myxophyceae சொல்லுவாங்க. ஓகேம்மா? The sexual reproduction is absent. Mostly it is asexual reproduction. Then Microcystis aeruginosa anabina. In these cause water blooms and release the toxin. இந்த பாக்டீரியா என்ன செய்யும்னா டாக்ஸினை வந்து ரிலீஸ் பண்ணும். It affect the aquatic organisms. ஓகேம்மா? இந்த டாக்ஸின்ஸை ரிலீஸ் பண்ணும்போது அந்த டாக்ஸின்ஸ் வந்து எதை அஃபெக்ட் ஆகும்? The aquatic organs, mostly the fishes வந்து affect ஆகும். சரியா? Most of them fix atmospheric nitrogen and are used as biofertilizers. Mostly these are used as a biofertilizer. Example, Nostoc anabina. Okay? Then spirulina is a rich in protein, hence it is used as single cell protein. In 12th standard we will study detail about this spirulina. Okay? The spirulina வந்து single cell protein use பண்றாங்க for the feeding purpose. Okay? Then the thallus organization and methods of reproductions are like this. Look at the diagram. These are the different reproductive or thallus organizations. ஒவ்வொரு varieties of அந்த blue-green algae type எப்படி இருக்கு அப்படி shape, size எல்லாம். சரியா? spirulina எப்படி இருக்கும்? Like this. Okay? The nostoc like this. So these are the thallus arrangements of the blue-green algae. Then these are the reproductive organs, reproductive structures present in the organs. Okay. Next one, mycoplasma. Next one what? Mycoplasma or molecules. These are mostly non-motile. Okay? Non-motile means like that of endospores. The mycoplasma are very small, mostly 0.1 to 0.0 meter in length. Okay? Pleomorphic gram-negative microorganism. These are the pleomorphic gram-negative organism. They are the first isolated by Knockout and co-workers. யார் முதல்ல ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணாங்கன்னா Knockout and co-workers. Okay. It is mostly present in the pleural fluid of cattle. Cattleோட pleural fluidல வந்து இதை வந்து என்ன செய்தாங்கன்னா கண்டுபிடிச்சாங்க. சரியா? They lack the cell wall and appears like fried egg. இதை பார்க்கும்போது எப்படி இருக்கும்னா எக்கை ஃப்ரை பண்ணி வச்சுருந்தா எப்படி இருக்குமோ அதே மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஸோ we call as a fried egg. molecules என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க? fried eggன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. சரியா? இல்லை the appearance. Okay? The DNA contains low guanine and cytosine content than true bacteria. They cause disease in animals and plants. The little leaf of brinjal, witch's bloom of legume. These are the different types of diseases that happened by this bacteria. Okay. Some plant diseases caused by mycoplasma are like this. Okay. That pleuropneumonia is caused by mycoplasma mycoids. The structure of this mycoplasma are this. Okay. Look at the diagram. when you look at this diagram, how is it? It is like that of the fried egg. Okay, these are the structure of these molecules or mycoplasma. Okay, today let me see two types of bacteria, that is archaebacteria and mycoplasma. Okay, study well. Thank you.